Well, to some good news now for WhatsApp lovers, and the app's parent company Facebook has extended the deadline for users to accept the controversial terms and conditions by 3 more months, seemingly buckling under the pressure and threat of a mass exodus by users to other apps. In a statement released on its social media pages, WhatsApp maintained that there is no controversy regarding the updates, just confusion. It also announced that it was pushing the deadline to 15th May to allow users time to understand the terms. Since WhatsApp made the announcement on January 4th, millions of its 2 billion users have been migrating to other apps, with the Signal app gaining a record 7.5 downloads compared to 220,000 the previous week. Signal's success spurred on by an endorsement from Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. Another app that gained from the announcement was Telegram, which gained 9 million users that first week, up from 6.5 million users the previous week. Earlier this week, Telegram announced that it had crossed the 500 users mark. In contrast, in the first week since the announcement, WhatsApp had 9.7 million downloads, a sharp contrast to 11.3 million downloads the previous week. Good news now at the coast. Doctors in Mombasa were today back at their workstation